someone needs you like air, and they're diving back in, and they're wanting your heart to be open. I'm going to go ahead and get into this, but that's what's coming through, and we'll see, is it even in your highest good to do so? Thank you, Holy Spirit. Thank you so much. Whatever this was, this definitely has ended. So the diving back in is like this person coming back in. Okay. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Thank you so much. What do we need to know here? Air could be significant. Like the song. What's the song where it's like, tell me how I'm supposed to breathe with no air. What's that song? And then also air signs, 44 seconds. Wow. Okay, so this person's coming in to want to rebuild. Rebuild 10 of Pentacles with you. To have 10 of Pentacles with you. To have an empire, a life, accumulation, like long term. Like this is very long term. This person's want to come in to rebuild long term. Keep in mind, just because someone's like wanting to do that does not mean that they have what it takes to do so. You know what I mean? It's giving like the intentions are there, but we need to dive deeper into this and see like, what does the Holy Spirit have to say? What's in your highest good? Are they even capable of doing this? So I will see you in part 2. Peace, love, and joy. Someone wants to come in, back in, I should say, and rebuild and have 10 of Pentacles with you. Like a long-term life. And to build together like an empire, have a family together. Also, what was coming through in part 1 is this person's diving back in. So the ocean could be significant, or water could be significant, because they need you like air. That's what's coming through. Also, air could be significant. The song, how am I supposed to breathe with no, or how am I supposed to breathe with no air? Yeah, let me know who's that by, is like Jordan Sparks or something. Let me know. That was coming through as well. Air signs could be significant. 444 is very significant. So what we're going to be going into is, what is the guidance in your highest good? And, you know, are they even capable of doing this? You know? We don't want all talk and no action. Holy Spirit, thank you so much. What is the guidance for the viewer? Are they capable of doing this? Thank you, Holy Spirit. Thank you so much. I don't know why, but I'm getting like Home Depot, home improvement. Like, yeah, like even the TV show Home Improvement. Queen of Swords, High Priestess. I feel like you took this as school or learning, whatever the experiences that you had with them, and maybe you knew. It's like you knew that they would come back in. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Thank you so much. Is this person capable of this? Well, actually, honestly, with the lows and that's building, this is strength to overcome. It's like they're willing to overcome. So for whoever this is for, definitely like you don't have to make this fit. Like literally, if this doesn't feel like this is for you, or this person doesn't show any of these attributes, then it's not for you. Take it back to a prayer, take it back to a personal, you know. Sterling silver, maybe horses, that's all coming through. Wow. So yeah, 222. It's giving whoever this person is, they are strong enough to overcome and to do this. And they are coming in, and this is very quickly. You're going to get some type of a phone call, a text, a DM type of deal. Okay. This is really interesting. So let's go ahead. Honestly, they are wanting you, this energy is wanting you to open up your heart and to be more vulnerable. And I feel like you're probably like, whoa, I don't know about that. A guide, mentor, trustworthy ally. Wow. And then air. See? Literally. And it's really giving, look how there's two. There's two. This is the way. That's what I'm getting. This is the way. Like if this is for you. time and tide. Remember how I said like the ocean? It literally says oceanic spells and rituals. So I'm telling you, water, the ocean is relevant specifically. Oh my gosh, it's 5 o'clock and I have 55%. 555. This is a change. Something's happening. I'm recording this also on the wolf full moon. I'm gonna go into a part 3. I'll see you there. Peace, love, mucho light. This person's coming back in and they need you like air. This is part 3. Literally, this is the way. This is for you. It's for you. It was also, thank you, confirmation. 5 o'clock and then 55%. This is a change that's happening and this is coming back in. I mean, honestly, if you're, I don't know what to say, but you just take it back to prayer, take it back to a personal. If you're someone like, oh my God, I don't want that. Okay, whatever. Like, you know, you can keep scrolling or you can interact, whatever you want to do. But this person is coming back in very strong. They're ready to overcome like arguments, disputes, whatever caused some shattered dreams, separation. And when I went and got the guidance, hold on one second. And when I went and got the guidance, this person is strong enough to actually put the work in. They, you know what I mean? It's not just like, oh, that's what they want to do. It's like, no, that's what they're gonna do. Wow. My God, golly. You probably don't see this coming. Let's see what I need to tell you. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Thank you so much. What do I need to get across to the viewer? I'm not saying you knew this person in high school, but for some reason, like a high school era is relevant. Or it could possibly be like a high school, you know those movies, it's like a high school like love story thing. That's kind of what I'm getting here with the 7 of Cups. This person feels like they lost out on opportunity. Maybe they did know you in high school. Or maybe they wanted to come forward then. It's really interesting. Okay, also, you know, I have been channeling the start of something new from High School Musical. It's the start of something new. They're coming in, they're very passionate about you. There's no stopping this person. Like, their will is for you. Oh my goodness. What should the viewer do? Last but not least, thank you, Holy Spirit. Thank you so much. Take this back to prayer. Take this back to a personal. But you just need to remain calm. Remain calm, remain patient, stay connected. And then we have the King of Swords. So this is literally air sign. So Gemini, Libra, Aquarius type of energy. It's just someone who's very much in like a committed type of energy. A very intellectual, very logical type of energy. And they could take things very seriously. Even justice is coming up right now. So maybe this person's into like law or politics or some type of, I don't know, that vibe. And then we have the moon. That's it. The High Priestess. It's almost like you know this. This is so crazy. The King of Swords peeking out and the High Priestess here. It's like you know this. Then we have 3 of Pentacles. Another way to know if this is for you, like it's just gonna be working very well. For some reason, a Cadillac is relevant. That one was silver. All right, my loves. Peace, love, and mucho, mucho light. It's gonna be very exciting, okay?